Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to unbox the Greadio R-10 AM FM shortwave Bluetooth MP3, and also it plays relaxation. I believe it has I believe it's up to 8 different relaxation tracks on it. Very interesting radio. Greadio reached out to me and asked me if I want to make a review on this radio. I said absolutely. So thank you, Greadio, for sending me this radio. And let's open up the box and let's see how it is, how it looks inside. So let's take this out. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Let me just put the box over here. Plus, you got your user manual, instruction manual. Plus, you got this nice looking card there. You have your USB charging cable. It's a USB Type-C, which is cool. And you have these caps. And let's take the radio out of here. Put that over here for a second. So you have a strap. So I guess this caps are for the strap, and I guess they give you another extra pair. And you snap them in there. There you go. So actually, we can go ahead and do that. Actually, let's just go ahead and do that. If I can get this out. Okay, so you got 2 end caps there. So let's just put the, I mean, I kind of like it without this strap, but, you know, since I'm going to review it myself, review it with the strap. So it is optional. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so looks pretty nice, looks pretty slick. Portable little radio. Also looks like a nice tabletop type that you leave in the kitchen. You got little rubber feet there, plastic feet, excuse me. Okay. So this is a, let's just go through it actually. You got your clock right there, of course. Very slick. Actually, let's look at the back before I turn it on. You got your USB port right there for, you know, for your MP3 play, MP3 files and so on. I don't know all the formats that it play. I guess I'm going to look it up. I believe it's like the other, some other radios. I definitely have MP3, but I don't know, or maybe also WMA and maybe WAV files. You can put USB or micro SD card, or they call it TF card. You got your earphone or headphone jack, and of course you got your charging port right there. And you got this antenna. Let me take it out here, and it's really in there. Wow, there you go. Let's see. Just gonna extend the antenna. Okay, and it does rotate. Yes, it does. Very nice. I gotta be careful. I don't have much space over here. It's kind of restrictive, so it's pretty long antenna there. Pretty cool. Actually hitting my phone stand. Sorry about that. Okay, so there you go. So let me lower this on because I'm not making a full review today. I'm just doing an unboxing. Okay, so let me pull this back. So we're just gonna go through the functions real quick. So you got your mode here. Is a mode, but there's also bands. So I'm gonna turn it on real quick. Let me lower the volume. What's the volume here? Oh, my bad. Volume's right here. There you go. So you got your FM, of course, your AM, your shortwave, and you have your this is some kind of relaxation. Sounds really nice. Wow. Okay. So yeah. All right. Well, there you go. Wow, it's pretty interesting. I'll save that for the review. Of course, it's Bluetooth. And this is for the TF card reader and USB. Okay. And back to FM. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty interesting radio so far. So, this is an unboxing video only. Just brief go over the things real quick. I just showed you. I'm gonna be doing reception videos on this. For the next for the immediate time being, and then I'll make a full review soon on all the functionality of radio, because I don't like to make a unboxing and a review. I like to go through everything in a realistic type thing. I like to test it out for the next couple of maybe the next few days or so on, and I'll know if the radio is I have to give it a fair review. I know some other channels like to unbox and review right away. I don't do that here. I like to try it on all the bands. I like to try different things. Maybe even, for example, like on medium wave, I like to put the, see if I can try to DX with it and things like that. But it looks like a very nice looking radio. I love the color. I love that it looks very, tabletop. It is designed to be like a tabletop type radio. So I'm looking forward to using this radio and reviewing it. So thank you, Greadio, for sending me this. And I will be doing videos on this, and a full review is coming soon. So thank you. And there you go. So if you like this video, smash the like button. Also share the video. And let me know what you think about this if you own this radio. And also subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.